Hey, so if you want to manage your projects more efficiently, yeah, Notion AI can really upgrade your workflow. It helps you plan tasks, organize work, and track progress in one place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, create a dedicated project dashboard in Notion where all your tasks and information will be stored. Next, use Notion AI to define your project goals clearly. Yeah, so you know what you're working towards. Then ask the AI to break down your project into smaller tasks, which makes everything easier to manage. After that, turn those tasks into checklists and assign deadlines to stay organized. If you're working with a team, assign tasks to different members so everyone knows their responsibilities. You can track progress using boards or status updates. Yeah, so you always know what stage your project is in. Notion AI can also help you summarize updates or meeting notes quickly, saving you time. And finally, keep improving your workflow using AI suggestions to make your process more efficient. So, yeah, that's how to use Notion AI for project management. Once you start using it regularly, your projects become much easier to manage and track. Hey,